We're going to review the top 5 best portable weld fume extractors, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Vatican Solder Smoke Absorber Fume. If you work in any workstation, then you probably know that the fumes exhausted from welders are very much of a nuisance. But you won't be worrying about that if you have the Vatican Fume Extractor. It is an effective smoke absorber that can keep the workplace up to par. The Vatican Solder Smoke Absorber is very lightweight and doesn't take much space. The carbonless brush motor is powerful and designed to be proficient. You'll notice that it doesn't produce much sound either. Number 2. KOTTO Soldering Smoke Absorber. Welding stations are susceptible to flux smoke that can harm your organs severely. But this particular smoke absorber can get rid of all that very easily. Built with intricate machinery, it can be adjusted at your disposal and absorb the harmful fumes. It has a 24-inch flexible tube that can be adjusted by the welder so you can point it in whatever direction you might need. Number 3. Kulannder Handy Carry Solder Smoke Absorber. What we have right here is a simple smoke extractor with unique features. A fume extractor is essential in welding since the fumes can cause inconvenience and serious harm. Kulander's is a great choice for something like this. Kulannder has designed its fume extractors very efficiently after consulting with engineers and customers alike. After constant improvement in every model, they have made this fume absorber to have peak performance. Number 4. KNOKOO Mini Welding Fume Extractor FES 150. This multifunctional fume extractor can easily get rid of all the chemical flux smoke from welding stations. It is equipped with high-tech components and is made with quality materials. The usage of this fume extractor cannot be neglected if you want to keep your workstation safe and secure. The smoke extractor has a triple-layer filtration method. It ensures the fact that the air stays purified much more effectively. Number 5. Lincoln Electric Extractor. Fume extractors are essential in the welding stations. But choosing the right one might be difficult. Lincoln Electric offers a straightforward and affordable solution. The fume extractor is very compact, and you can take wherever you want. Even though it's small, its effectiveness is not affected. The first and the most obvious thing that you should know about the Lincoln Electric fume extractor is the fact that it's so light.